I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an air filter. First, make sure your car is off and parked safely. You'll need a new air filter and a basic screwdriver. Pop open your hood and locate the air filter housing, which is usually a large black box near the engine. This simple task can improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Now let's get to the old filter. Depending on your model, you'll either unclip several metal fasteners or unscrew a few screws around the housing. Once those are loose, carefully lift the top cover. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to notice how it's oriented. This will be important for the new one. With the old filter out, take a quick look inside the housing for any leaves or debris and clean it out. Now, carefully place your brand new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and in the same direction as the old one. Once it's perfectly seated, put the cover back on and refasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Before you close the hood, double-check that all clips are securely fastened and any screws are tightened down. This ensures no air bypasses the filter. Now, you can start your engine to confirm everything sounds normal. You've successfully replaced your air filter, which helps your engine breathe better. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.